Hey everybody, before we get into the giveaway, I do just want to say thank you to every single person who left a comment on the last video or reached out to me privately to send their condolences about Emmett. To say that we're going through a tough time right now is an understatement. So I'm just trying to get back to things being normal, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do with this giveaway, is try to forget everything. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for everyone that reached out. It means a ton to me and my family. Thank you very much. Let's get into the giveaway. What's up everybody? I have some very exciting news as we have hit 100,000 subscribers. And because you guys helped me do that, I'm gonna give away one of the biggest YouTube giveaways in lawn care history. We're gonna give away $8,000 worth of prizes to 68 people, which is huge in my opinion. So this is my way of saying thank you for doing everything you've done for the channel and my family. It's just my way to give back. Here are the list of prizes. We are gonna give away 30 Lawn Life hats. We are gonna give away 10 bags of Night Shift grass seed, 10 bags of dark matter ammonium sulfate, 10 gallons of Neighbor's Envy. We're gonna give away 3 Petra HD 4000 backpack sprayers, 3 Petra HD 2000 backpack sprayers, and for the grand prize, we're giving away 2 custom Lawn Life watches made by Distinction Watches with each of a value over $2,000. To enter the giveaway, you only need to do a few things. Number 1, you need to like this video. Number 2, you need to subscribe to my Lawn Life Vlogs channel. Not this channel you're watching now, it is a channel I started last year. I want to grow it a little bit. The link will be in the description below, and that's where you can subscribe. Number 3 is that you need to fill out this form. There's going to be a link in the description where you can put in your first name and your email. The reason for this is because I've had people comment on giveaways in the past, and it's almost impossible to get a hold of those people through the comments. So this way, I can just directly contact you to your email once we select the winners. I'll be announcing the winners on July 8th, 2025, and the way we're gonna pick the winners is with a random selection generator. So there's no purchase necessary, anything like that. All you have to do is do those 3 simple things: like the video, subscribe to Lawn Life Vlogs, and fill out this sheet with your first name and email, and you are automatically entered. There's only gonna be 1 winner for each prize, so 68 lucky people are going to win. Again, thank you so much for everything that you've done for me throughout my YouTube career, for this channel, for my family. It means a ton, and this is my way to give back to you guys. So definitely be on the lookout. July 8th, I'll be announcing all the winners, and then I will email you if you did win. Again, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.